Welcome to our portable laundry showdown. Today, we will be comparing two innovative solutions for washing clothes on the go: the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer. Whether you're traveling, camping, or living in a small space, finding the right laundry solution is essential. Let's dive into the features and benefits of each product to see which one suits your lifestyle best. The Scrubba Wash Bag is designed for extreme portability, weighing only 5.3 ounces and folding down to pocket size, making it perfect for travelers and backpackers. In contrast, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer, while compact, weighs 14 pounds and requires a stable surface and electrical outlet, making it less portable and more suited for stationary use. The Scrubba Wash Bag operates on a manual friction mechanism, allowing users to wash clothes without electricity by rubbing them against the internal washboard. On the other hand, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer utilizes an electric turbo washing system, providing a more efficient and automated cleaning process, making laundry tasks easier. One of the key differences between these two products is their drying capability. The Scrubba Wash Bag requires manual wringing of clothes after washing, as it has no drying function. In contrast, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer features a spin basket that partially dehydrates clothes, significantly reducing drying time and making it a more convenient option for users. In conclusion, the choice between the Scrubba Wash Bag and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize portability and an electric-free solution, the Scrubba is your best bet. However, if you need a more efficient washing and drying solution for home or RV use, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.